Hey guys, welcome back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and today I will be making. Shh! Don't tell your dad. Father's Day is coming up very soon, so I'm gonna be making something special. So I'm making something special for my dad because he's like a hero to me, and I love him very much. And he does all the hard work for us, and he makes us laugh and entertains us. Gets us toys so we can be entertained, and a lot more. He's like the best dad ever. So I'm gonna be making something for my dad, and something very special. And you're not gonna know until the end of this video, so let's get started. Take one piece of black paper and fold it equally. So one, I'll fold the second side. So the two sides are equal, so let's just do one. So let's take this end and fold it. Make sure this corner doesn't go out of the paper, it has to stay in. So fold. And smoothing it over with it. We're going to be doing the same to this side. Let's start here. Let's fold it. So smoothing it over with a pointer finger. And now take a pair of scissors and add the final touching. Cut like little cubes, just like little tiny ones. Out. So it can look like it's realistic, and do the same to the other. So our first part is ready. So now let's keep this to a side and take a white sheet of paper and fold it equally half. White to the edge. Right in the fold. So take one sheet of white paper and stick it in. Like this. So we're going to take a glue stick, a little bit of glue right on the side. And so now let's take a strip of white piece of paper and glue it right here. Glue. So now let's glue it on. So we're almost there by finishing it. Yay! So there's a white strip because we're going to be putting the bow on here and putting two buttons. So let's take two buttons and take bottle glue, just like one drop of glue, and put another drop, and now our suit is finished with the button, so now let's put it to the side and make our bow. Take a black piece of strip and fold it equally. Like that. So fold it equally, just like that. Now let's take some glue and glue them together a little bit. And then just like press it down, press it on top. Just like that. So here's how it looks. So let's take a pencil and draw it upside down U. It's kind of an N. Like that. And then let's do the same to the other side. And like straight. And then starting about right here. Let's draw an upside down U or an N, just like that. Now let's cut the shapes out. And try not to get the pencil marks in the neck. And again, snap it out. So this is how our bow looks. Now let's take a thin black strip and take our glue stick and just put a teensy bit like that. Fold, fold, and at the end, and then let's put some glue right in the end, and then just fold it. Pinch ourselves. To make this look realistic, let's puff these up. Puff these up. Like this, just gonna look puffed. So puff it up. Puff, puff. It's kind of puffed. It's all puffed up. Puff, puff, puff. The bow. It's all puffed up. And the last step is gluing the bow. So let's put some glue right there and glue it on. And I press right there. It's time to write our letter. And here's a trick to open this white piece of paper so we can write the letter. Just like pop it open. So let's write Happy Father's Day. So H, H-A, H-A-P, B, Y, Fathers, F-A-T-H-E-R-S, Fathers Day, D-A-Y. So let's write a letter. Ready? Just gotta use U, R, O, S, J, N, O, so what to do? So let's put it in the suit. So let's put it inside. So this is gonna be hard. So it is the Father's Day surprise, and if he gives it to your dad, he'll be very happy. And in here you can write your own letters. I just wrote my own letters that can make my dad really happy. So happy almost Father's Day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Now let's say bye. Bye. Bye.